Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Temu. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and log into your Temu account if you have an account. So once you're here logged in your account, so what you're going to do, if you want to use a Visa gift card for any purchase, simply add any item, any product to your cart so that you can use your Visa gift card to check out. So I'll just choose any item here. So for example, just choose any item. Okay, so whatever it is, just select it, make your preferences, and then hit on add to cart. So once you send it to cart, so I have some stuff here on my cart here, so I have this item here. So once you're on your cart here, so I'm going to hit on checkout, and then here you can add your address. So I've already added mine, so that's fine. And then when you scroll down, you'll get to these payment methods here. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my Visa gift card. To do that, what I'm going to do is simply select the card option. So once you select the card option here, what you have to do is simply add in the details of your Visa card, your Visa gift card. So just plug in the details of your Visa gift card and then hit on submit order, and that's pretty much it is. So it will be processed using your Visa gift card. So that's how you use your Visa gift card on Temu. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.